If you are struggling to manage your diabetes despite trying every diet, supplement, or medication out there, then you are almost definitely overlooking the incredible power of these 6 game-changing nutrients that could transform your blood sugar control forever. Hey, did you know that ignoring certain spices could actually increase your risk of insulin resistance and diabetes?
Wait, really? Spices?
Yep, they're like nature's little secret weapons loaded with phytonutrients that fight inflammation and stress. Seriously, you don't want to miss out on their benefits.
That's wild. I always thought of spices as just flavor boosters.
Oh, they are so much more than that. And get this, not all spices are equal. Some actually help keep your blood sugar in check when you use them regularly and even drink them in an elixir. I've got an awesome recipe for one. You can grab a PDF it too, down in the description below or in the pinned comment.
Okay, now I'm curious. What spices are we talking about?
All right, let's break it down. Here are 6 superstars. First up, cardamom and cumin.
Oh, I use those sometimes.
Perfect. Cardamom is packed with antioxidants and can help keep your blood sugar and blood pressure in check. Plus, it is great for stress, anxiety, and even sleep when you mix it into a tea. As for cumin, it is like a digestive powerhouse, good for bloating, constipation, and all that fun stuff.
Wow, I didn't know they did all that.
Saffron is next. Not only does it add a beautiful color to the food, but it can help regulate blood sugar and boost your mood like a natural antidepressant.
So, when should you take saffron?
Well, that depends. For a mood boost, take it in the morning. For better sleep, have it an hour before bed. And if you want appetite control, take it on an empty stomach.
That's good to know. What's next?
Cinnamon. This one is a classic. It helps lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, especially Ceylon cinnamon. Plus, it can reduce bad cholesterol and combat oxidative stress.
I have heard cinnamon for diabetes. How should I use it?
Add it to your food, coffee, or tea. I love cinnamon tea in the morning. It is great for metabolism and digestion.
Nice, I'll try that.
Now, for heavy hitters, turmeric and ginger.
Oh, I love turmeric. It is in everything now.
And for good reason. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, lowers blood sugar spikes, improves insulin function, and even boosts your brain health. Just make sure to pair it with food to help your body absorb it better, especially pepper, black pepper.
And ginger?
And ginger is amazing for digestion, blood sugar control. It's also great for easing nausea and muscle pain. You can drink ginger water in the morning, ginger tea after a meal, or even before bed to help with digestion and congestion.
Okay, I'm officially impressed.
I thought you would be. Oh, if you are into elixirs, here's a recipe I swear by. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of a black pepper, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 2 cups of hot water.
Sounds good. What do I do with it?
Just boil the water. Mix everything together and let it steep for 5 minutes. It is delicious and super healthy.
All right, I'm trying this.
Awesome. Just make sure to buy good quality spices. No synthetic fillers. They lose flavor over time. So buy only what you will use in the next 6 to 12 months.
Thanks for the tips. I'm gonna look into this more.
Definitely do. Oh, and if you are curious about the science, there are studies showing how spices like cinnamon, turmeric, and ginger improve the glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity. It is fascinating.
I'll check those out too.
Cool. Before you go, watch this video on Ceylon cinnamon. It is a game changer.
Will do. Thanks again.
Anytime. Let me know how the elixir works for you.